Hi everybody and welcome to the launch of our video streaming. I am Frank from Scorpe, and right behind me here, this is the program of what you're going to be able to follow with us over the next month of July. As you can see, we are going to introduce you today the Green Spirit range of rescue tools, and then the following weeks you will have a range of lifting bags that we will be showing you. So let's talk about rescue tools. This range of rescue tools was launched over 2 years ago, and it's already been a great success. Today you find these tools in many countries of the world: Australia, Turkey, Spain, Poland, Indonesia, and more recently in China, where we won a huge tender for 350 tools. So what makes these tools so special? So let's talk about the main advantages of this product. So here, first products, you need to remember 5 things. It's easy: robustness, safety, ergonomy, autonomy, and ease of use. Robustness, why are we talking about robustness here? Here we use a reinforced composites. This is called PEAFG, this polymer fiberglass. It's very resistant against abrasion and shock. This is what they use in the aeronautic world. The second point of robustness is here, this protection. Remember, you have a battery here. This is the main source of power, but you need to be able to protect it, okay, right here. So this is well protected. And the third thing as well for robustness, of course, is the blade, which is the most important part of the tool. And we use forged steel blades for better cutting performances and increase lifespan of the blades. So this was for the robustness. The safety, why we want these tools to be very safe. Look at the control handle and the on-off switch. They're well separated here. This is very important in case of mishandling. Okay, another safety part here is the little pictogram here. You can see in which way the tool will start opening or closing. So again, let's talk about the ergonomy here. This is a rescue tool here, and it only weighs 14 kilograms. This is the lightest on the market. So very important. It's ergonomic. It's also have a rotating handle. I can turn 360 degrees here, so that will be easy to use in difficult position, let's say. And autonomy here. Why? When we talk autonomy, we mean autonomy. That means you don't depend on Scorpe for these products. You can find these batteries at any Milwaukee dealer. Okay, this is a 28 volt, 5 amp battery, and it has a long autonomy of over 45 minutes of use, constant use. And last but not least, the ease of use. Look at this handle here. This is an intuitive handle. We decided to have this special type of handle here because you just put the handle, your hand on the handle here, and right here, look, your thumb is right over here, and you decide to turn right or left. And this is very intuitive and very easy to use. So let's recap the main advantages of our products here. The robustness we talked about the safety, we talked about the ergonomy, the autonomy, and of course the ease of use. This is why these tools are very popular all over the world. So this session is now over, and I am open for questions, live questions. So in order to do that, I think you need to go at the bottom of your screen, and you should see create chat, and we will be able to answer your questions in a second. Do we have any questions? Cédric, any questions?
I'm waiting for the questions.
Here, in the meantime, I will show you the full range here, what we have available. We have 2 rams, we have a monopiston, and we have a telescopic ram, and we have also the extensions that you can use on both tools, so to create a huge length We have the MS, the spreader. We have two cutters, the SC and the MC, and we have two combi tools as well to complete our range. So, all these tools obviously are sold worldwide. Any questions?
On how? Agnieszka Seguin? Non, pas de
Okay, no questions. So, are you ready to buy our tools? What you need to do perhaps is to understand these tools here. Of course, we talked about how powerful they are, but this is the source of power, and these batteries are very powerful, and you are able to produce a lot of work with those batteries. Here, I don't know if you can see here, you have like a little button you press, and it gives you the level of charge here. So you have 4 lights here. So 45 minutes lifetime of a battery is about 1,000 cycles, complete cycles of charge. I have a question here. Yes?
No, not for
Oh, no questions. Okay, fantastic. So
8 people are watching.
I'm waiting for the questions. Please feel free to ask. This is now that you need to ask. Or perhaps you were struggling with the way to create
The chat, perhaps.
the chat. Perhaps you can explain, Cedric, on how to create the questions.
There's nothing.
There's nothing to explain. It's self-explanatory.
Just enter in the chat and type your message.
Okay, perhaps we can talk in the meantime about the blades here. We have this very special tool called the SK. This is the star of the show. Of course, all these tools are powerful, but if you look at this tool here, perhaps you'll wonder why this is black and as opposed to all the protection here are green. Because his name, look, his name is called Batman. Look at his ears. Yes, this is why we call him Batman. This is his nickname, and it's doing very well. But look at this. Look at these blades here. We are completely unique in the world. Only manufacturer producing these blades. Look at the blades here. They are curved. It's a special geometry, and you are able to do a way better job than if you use a normal blades like these ones here of a combi tool. Look at this. This is the normal combi tool that everybody is using. As you can see here, you have straight blades here with dented. But when you actually close the tool, here, look at this. Boom. I cannot go further the actual extremities of the blades. Whereas if I use this one, the SK, look at this. I'm closing my tool, and I've already completed my cut here, okay? So you actually getting the advantages of a cutter and a combi tool, as well as a spreader, because of course you have a strength as well being a combi tool. So you can cut safely like a cutter with curved blades, you can squeeze, and you can spread. So all in one. And it's only 14 kilos, so very easy tool to use to approach, for a first approach in an accident. Okay, so I can see that you've understood all about our rescue tool. So perhaps before I say goodbye to everybody, I know that this is not a live session, worldwide, and we are just between us. So I want to say hello to the Pronal team, and then of course hello to Marius from Poland, who is watching us, who's already bought some rescue tools. So hi Marius, And of course, I want to say hello to my children, Chloe and Hugo. So I love you. Okay, bye bye, everybody.